Kasok jala mata kasi kalai poetrik unailar arajar arpuar kalarai ban perkarya no yaki Harijan ki basong thambetor syaka ophis jong municipal kabdan mata hamat persya jong ka ïing majusa unung ilam kaliang persya ya kani le yathu do ba prustun tensong o menteri rang ba sembut jong ka jela hagaja kan bekra patai kubor kini ki office ya kabala penyangkam da municipal sipor bat hanen pensa ya baro lais pak sapu atli kilonggi nang tina po Harijan koloni ini
with the officials from the Urban Affairs, where the Honorable Minister of Urban Affairs is also here in the meeting, and with the Shillong Municipal Board, as well as from the DC Revenue. So ultimately, I'm happy to inform you that after taking into consideration all issues, so today we have finalized the location identified by Urban Affairs Department for relocating our friends from Mawlong, from the sweeper lane, Them Mawlong. We have decided now that the relocation will be shifted in the existing quarters of the sweepers here just opposite the LO quarter, which is, I think you all know. Right now, of course, we are also converted into the temporary office of Shillong Municipal Board, and now we have decided, and the Urban Affairs Department has brought all the details, and then we finalize that relocation will take place in the same existing place. So this is one issue which I would like to inform you. And the second issue is again roughly Urban Affairs Department has already shown all the details of the building which needs to be constructed over there, and I'm happy to inform you that as per the technical report given by the Urban Affairs Department, it is possible to accommodate all the 342 families in the same place itself. So these are the two issues where we discussed, and now again I have instructed Urban Affairs Department to further bring us all the details of drawing, estimate how much it will cost for construction of these quarters, and that we have instructed the Urban Affairs Department as long as also with the Shillong Municipal Board to again submit to us all the details, and thereafter I will have a meeting with the HPC, Harijan committee, maybe most likely towards the end of this month.